Tres.
Hello, my name is Jesus Sanchez, and this is my science fair project, and it is, does electricity move better with thick wires or thin ones? So the materials you will need is one plastic straw, a scissor, two unused D batteries, some steel wool, two flashlight bulbs. I used one. I mean, if you want to, you can use one. Then electrical tape, and that's it. My hypothesis is that electricity will flow faster if it's connected to a thicker wire. So here's my experiment. But first, we're gonna see the procedure. My procedure was first I laid it on. First, like I did right here, I laid it on a flat surface. You have to lay on a flat surface. So one will get a thick wire right here. The other one will get a thin one. To install the wires, you have to hold. You have to first to make the wires. You have to cut some straw first. You have to cut the straw and make sure they're the same length as the battery, and then you have to put it like lengthwise to make it sure it's the same length. And then tape it to the lid. So then you can put the conductor or the steel wool through the straw, and then tape it with electrical tape. But first, to make a thick and thin wire using steel wool, you have to get three pieces of steel wool. You wrap it around your finger lots of times, so you can get the thin wire. Then the 10 strands this time. Roll it the same way as you did with the thin wire, and then so it becomes a thick wire. Then now you have two wires, a thin one and a thick one. So now you have to put it through the wires, take them good, take the straw around good, make sure that it's tight like this, and make sure it's taped to the negative end and not the positive end, because then it's not gonna work. Now using the bulb, now you have to wrap it around. You have to wrap it around. I'm doing it with the thick wire. Wait, the thick wire right now. There you go. I'm using the thick wire right there. See, there's light comes out. Now with the thin wire, not much is gonna come out, as I experimented before. Because if you do this, not much light is gonna come out. See, as you can see, there's not much light. Now again, with the other one, as you can see, if you wrap it around here, you get actually more light. And in conclusion, the first, electricity is a type of energy that is built up one place so you can move it around. So it's static. If it's static electricity, it means it does not move. So if you're static, you cannot move. So that's basically electricity. And electricity that moves from one place to another, like you use your cell phone to connect it to Wi-Fi and use it, is called current electricity. Current electricity is electricity moving from one place to another. Say you can use a flashlight and a flash player, a washing machine, flashlights, telephones, computers, and MP3 players and other stuff. And in conclusion, my hypothesis was correct, and more electricity the light bulb came from the thick wire rather than the thin wire. So, and I have learned a lot from this project, and the reason I researched this project was to learn more about electricity, wires, and conductors. Thank you. Bye-bye.